Thank you for the question. Well, I was born in Canada with an American dad and a Filipino mom. Even if I live far from the Philippines, my mom taught me special traditions like pagmamano and saying po and opo to show respect. Calling older people kuya and ate to show love and having salu-sara where we eat together as a family. I may be little, but I know these traditions that make our family close, and I will carry them proudly wherever I go.
Most memorable experience I've gained from joining the Gandahinan pageant is rediscovering my inner strength and purpose, not just as a woman, but as a mother. I've learned that true beauty is not just about appearance. It is about resilience, grace, and the courage to step outside of your comfort zone. I've learned to embrace my imperfections, to celebrate my uniqueness, and to speak with confidence. But more than anything, it is not about the crown. What I treasure the most is the genuine friendship that I built with my fellow candidates. We laughed, danced, sang, and shared moments that turned strangers into sisters. Memories that I will keep in my heart forever. Meeting with these other inspiring women made me realize that we are never alone in our struggles and in our dreams. So today, I stand here proudly, not just for myself, but for every woman that needs a reminder that she is worthy, powerful, and beautifully capable of making a difference. Maraming salamat po. And mabuhay!
Thank you,